In this video, we will demonstrate how to check licenses installed in Honeywell device. To check the licenses installed on your Android device, please follow these steps. Open Power Tools app. Click on Diagnostic Information. Select License Info. You will see all available licenses on the device. Click on the appropriate license to view the full license information. Please check the available licenses details on this EDA52 device. Click on icp.emulator.browser.d. This indicates a pre-licensed device, 1 year, and displays a demo license. You can check the following details for the license. Days to expiration. Expiration date. Activation date. Now we can check another CD45 device license details. Click on icp.emulator.browser.d and check days of expiration. The days to expiration shows -1, it means the demo license has expired. The launcher.d.demo and browser.d.demo, this license is active after expiration of pre-licensed. This license validity for 60 days. Both license, the days to expiration shows -1, it means the demo license has expired. Next, check clientpack.main.d. This license needs to be purchased separately and installed on the device. It provides software version upgrades for a defined period. In this case, the license is valid for 1 year. You can verify the expiration date and activation date for confirmation. Currently, days to expiration shows 334, which means your license is valid for 334 more days. Thank you for watching.